Welcome back to VIP Auto TV, where we bring you the most luxurious motorhomes on the planet. Today, we have something truly extraordinary: the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome camper truck. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a masterpiece of engineering and luxury, designed for those who crave the ultimate overland experience without sacrificing comfort, performance, or style. Exterior design: a statement of luxury. At first glance, the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome camper truck exudes sheer opulence. The signature Maybach grille, sleek LED lighting, and aerodynamic body make it one of the most stylish overland vehicles ever created. This isn't your average camper truck. It's a rolling luxury penthouse built for the open road and beyond. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-grid terrains, this beast is designed to impress. Interior: ultimate comfort and elegance. Step inside, and you'll enter a world of unmatched comfort. The interior is crafted with the finest materials: Italian leather upholstery, handcrafted wood accents, and a ceiling embedded with Maybach's signature starlight illumination. Every detail is meticulously designed to provide a first-class experience. Living space: an executive lounge-style seating area that transforms into a plush sleeping arrangement at the touch of a button. Kitchen: a chef's dream equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, a full-sized refrigerator, induction cooktops, and a smart coffee maker. Bathroom: a spacious rain shower, high-end fixtures, and ambient lighting, making it feel more like a five-star hotel suite than a motorhome. Power and performance: a beast on wheels. Luxury isn't the only highlight of this motorhome. It also delivers exceptional performance. Engine: a 6.0L twin-turbo V12 engine, producing a massive 621 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. Transmission and drive: a state-of-the-art 9-speed automatic transmission paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system ensures smooth and effortless driving. Adaptive air suspension: absorbs bumps and road imperfections, delivering a silky smooth ride regardless of terrain. Off-road capabilities: reinforced suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires make it ready for any adventure. Maneuverability: electronic steering assist and multiple driving modes allow for precise handling, even in tight spaces. Cutting-edge technology and safety: 360 degrees camera system and AI parking assistance ensures effortless maneuvering and docking at any campsite. Advanced off-road package: equipped for the most challenging environments. Stability control: keeps the ride stable even at high speeds. Speed and performance beyond expectations. While most motorhomes focus solely on comfort, the Maybach Motorhome camper truck defies expectations. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 6.5 seconds. An astonishing feat for a vehicle of this size and weight. Top speed: electronically limited to 115 miles per hour for the perfect balance of performance and safety. Price and customization: luxury at a premium. This level of opulence comes at a price. The 2025 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome camper truck starts at $1.2 million. However, for those seeking the ultimate travel experience with no compromises, it's worth every penny. Customization options: nearly endless bespoke interior layouts, additional tech upgrades, and even bulletproof security enhancements for those who want extra protection. Conclusion: the pinnacle of overland luxury. The 2025 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome camper truck is the pinnacle of luxury overland travel. It blends the refinement and prestige of Maybach with the rugged capabilities of a true adventure vehicle. Whether you're a billionaire explorer, a high-profile traveler, or simply someone who refuses to settle for anything but the best, this motorhome redefines what's possible on the road. From its stunning design and ultra-premium interior to its powerhouse performance and cutting-edge technology, It sets a new standard in high-end motorhomes. That's all for today's episode of VIP Auto TV. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes Maybach motorhome camper truck, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible luxury motorhome content. Let us know in the comments. Would you take this million-dollar beast on an adventure? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.